There's this dog, and the network thinks the dog's cool. So there's a documentary on the dog. His name's Willy. He's cool, I guess. I think. Was that good? Yeah, that's the dog right there. Yeah, it's just a dog. Dog, yay! That dog's really weird. Uh, oh, okay. So the dog woke up. He's getting fed now. I guess. Yeah. Interesting documentary stuff. So he's eating food like every dog does. There's also a cat there. Um, yeah, I don't know why the cat's there, but yeah. So here there seems to be a a man chopping ice, I think, and that's what he's doing, right, Deborah? Yeah. And the dog he watches the cow, I guess, trying to protect the guy. I think. Yeah. Yeah. So he's like a bodyguard dog, I guess. So yeah, he just kind of watches the dog, make sure that the guy's still okay, I guess. Yeah. So here you can see the the dog is walking down the road with the guy now. I don't know exactly what they're going to do, but dog still being a bodyguard, I suppose, just in case wild animals come around, something like that. So yeah, it's still a protector dog. So here you can see the dog is chasing calves out of the pen. So I guess he's a smart dog. He can chase calves out of the pen, and that's what he's doing here. You know, pretty good dog, you could say. So not much to tell about this scene. I think that was good. Hey Deborah, how long's this scene gonna take? I really gotta take a crap over here. Okay, I gotta go. All right. Okay. So now what seems to be happening is they seem to be putting pails in troughs. I think maybe they cased all the calves out. They're feeding them now, and the dog's just observing the work. Kind of stuck up, in my opinion, but yeah, just so what's going on here is I guess they're done filling troughs with grain, and the calves are coming in. They're done. Not much happening, but yeah, Willie's is still watching like a stuck up dog. So yeah, that's the story. Dog, cute dog, but just a dog. Really, just not much happening. So yeah, watching. Okay, now we got some action going. There seems to be a cat on the tire, and Willie. I don't think Willie likes the cat, but he's kind of running around like a puss. Honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about this scene. Like Willie, just go for him. Just go for him. You got this. What is he gonna do to you? I don't think he's gonna hurt you. Think that cat's gonna hurt him, Deborah? Yeah. Come on, dog. Come on. Go. There's another cat. No. Come on. Go for him. Go for him. Go for him. Got it. Ah, there he goes. Cat does not seem to like the dog very much. at all. This could not end well. Go for him. God. Hey, Deborah. Remember how I said I had to go to the bathroom? I'm turtle heading. I gotta go. Okay, I'm back. The poor janitor. That bathroom's in peril, honestly. But I'm back. So what seems to be happening is there's a tractor that's going. I don't know where Willie is in this scene, but the tractor's going out, feed the calves, I guess. Willie's just, Willie's there. He's just watching. Like, I could follow him, but at the same time, I could just stand here. So in this scene where the Willie, all the calves are getting let out, he's kind of standing in the middle. I'm not sure what he's doing there, but he's there. So yeah. Oh, he's getting violent. Jeez. This man. What that calf did to you, Willie? Oh, what's going on here? The calf's licking him. Don't bite his nose. What the heck? He's licking their noses for some reason. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but I just find it I just find it kind of disturbing. Like, and Willie does too. Like, he did it, but now he's getting a little violent. I'm not sure how he feels about this either, but I don't know if this is an everyday thing Willie does, but it's kind of weird to me. Doesn't that taste bad, Willie? Like, cat's cannot be fun. Yeah, he's looking at that nose like, that didn't taste good the last time. I'm not sure about that guy. Looks like he has diseases. Oh, that one wants it. Look at that cat. Oh, he's doing it again. He's doing it again. He's going to town. So that was the end of our documentary on Willie, or Willard C. Hula Hula, is the title card explained. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was a pretty good documentary of the dog
Yep.
that sits weirdly.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.